Term limit war erupts in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Zadabina mashoko pangoena chonokwa kunzi as the fight for succession, fight for power between President E.D. Mnangagwa and VP Kosano Chiwenga as it is erupting the ruling party ZANU-PF. Pangwa inoi the worst part of it. Chonokwa kunzi the VPs in the last politburo meeting when they were in absentia. Zvaita kuti mu the ruling party ZANU-PF muzare chaos. Tsayabina mashoko kudanyika pangwana chinzi Mnangagwa versus Chiwenga Showdown over 2030 push. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tensions are reportedly boiling within ZANU-PF after senior party officials clashed over attempts to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's time in office beyond 2028. At last year's ZANU-PF's conference, Party Treasurer General Patrick Chamisa warned that any move to push the presidential term to 2030 would strictly require 2 referendums as mandated by Zimbabwe's constitution. The issue is now intensified in political divisions, with the Vice President Kosano Chiwenga said to be strongly opposed to any extension plan without a full constitutional process. The disagreement has fueled a growing power struggle at the top of government, raising questions over succession politics and party unity ahead of 2028. Doma developments are pangwa inoi ajira the ruling party ZANU-PF chaos is now erupting. Bina comment section methods of neuro animal kudi pamzoro bechitu each. So subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.